At some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your wireless sounder. The battery life of a wireless sounder can vary based on a number of factors, such as extreme temperature environments. Your wireless sounder is equipped with a low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before changing the batteries. Your wireless sounders are made to remain closed tight, but are also simple to open when needed. Open the sounder by removing the screws on the bottom and side, and then lift the lid carefully. Remove the old batteries and replace with new 3-volt lithium batteries. Make sure to observe polarity. Replace the lid and screws and perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery message. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. Wireless sounders use 3-volt lithium batteries CR123, which can be purchased at any electronics retailer or directly from us. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines. If you have any questions or problems with your system, feel free to give us a call.